Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you. The 2022 Nissan Titan is a capable and competent full-size pickup truck. What's new for 2022? For 2022, Nissan gives the Titan lineup new standard features and updated option packages. The entry-level S now comes standard with a trailer hitch and a spray-on bed liner. The next up, SV now comes standard with the previously optional convenience package. Along with built-in navigation, the kit includes dual-zone climate control, a power-adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, front and rear parking sensors, remote start, and more. Engine, transmission, and performance. Unlike the variety of powertrains available on light-duty rivals, the Titan makes do with a single engine and transmission combo. The 5.6-liter V8 produces 400 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque and pairs with a 9-speed automatic transmission. As with its pickup brethren, the Titan trades handling and ride quality for off-road ruggedness and potent hauling capacities. While it can giddy up and go and has sufficient stopping power, its steering and handling aren't as refined as its competition. Although the Titan and the separately reviewed Titan XD share cabs and other components, they have their own specific chassis and suspensions. The Pro 4X version swaps the stock shocks for an off-road set better suited for rough roads, but we noted that they feel stiffer than rivals with similar setups. We also drove the updated for 2020 Titan, which still can't match the impressive ride quality of the Ram 1500.